Alright guys, I'm going to show you basics on where to shoot a bird, a dove, or a squirrel. A bird or a squirrel. Alright, so I drew a picture of a dove and I got a squirrel target. Alright, where you want to shoot a squirrel is right there behind their shoulder, or you want to shoot them in the head. Either one of those are the perfect places to shoot them. As you can see, I've already missed them twice with my blowgun. Tough break. Alright, now here is the dove. Alright, you want to either shoot them on the neck. There's three places you could shoot them. You could shoot them right here in the head, the neck, or right there on the wing. It'll go right through their wings, through their that's a double lung shot, through their wing, through their lungs, and so on. But thanks for watching. Tell me more basics and subscribe to my channel.